Hello guys, it's Rawal and welcome back to today's video. For this video, I'll be showing you all 3 hair buns using literally no hair tools except your trusted hairbrush. Honestly, these hair updos have saved my life and now they'll save yours. They can be used for everyday, for office, for parties, and even for those emergencies when you can't find any of your hair ties. But before I start the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on other social medias like Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. My username is Corvanity in all of those social medias. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. Start by brushing your hair to make sure that there are no tangles. This will ensure a clean hair bun. Collect all of your hair like you do for a ponytail. Make sure it's tight enough so that your bun does not loosen up. Now that you have collected all of your hair, start by placing the hair between your thumb and your forefinger of your left hand. The hair should be placed over your hand and not below. With your right hand, hold tightly the hair from below towards your right side. Now twist your left hand clockwise motion to make a loop. Make sure at least 4 or all of your fingers are inside the loop. Next, take the leftover hair on your right side and just twist all of it around the loop. Once you have done that, with both hands, take the loop and push it towards the twisted hair so that the hair that you twisted is on the inside and the loop surrounds it. And that's it, you're done. Once again, showing you guys, collect your hair like you do for a ponytail. Place hair over the left hand between the thumb and the forefinger. The right hand should hold the leftover hair tightly towards the right side. In a quick motion, twist your left hand making a loop, then twist the leftover hair on your right around the loop and then push the loop onto it. And that's it, a clean bun without any hair tie or hairpins. For the next bun, brush all of your hair towards your right side. Once you're done, gather all of the hair over your left hand, making sure it's between your thumb and forefinger, while your right hand holds the hair from below. Then a quick clockwise and upwards motion, making a loop in your left hand. Then twist all of the hair in your right hand around the loop, making a tiny bun. And then again, push the loop around the tiny bun. This hairstyle is super cute and elegant and would work for office and even parties. If you're still struggling, then this third hairstyle might just be for you. All you have to do is just collect your hair on your right side and make a normal 3-strand braid. Once you're done with the braid, make a hair bun the same way I showed you guys previously. Take the braid over your left hand and between your thumb and forefinger. With your right hand, hold the braid from below and twist your left hand to make a loop. Then twist the braid on your right hand around the loop. Once done, push the loop around the braid and voila, another easy and quick party hairstyle. Perfect for all my ladies with medium or long hair, and also for all those lazy people who just don't want to use a hair tie. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, click the thumbs up button below, it helps grow my channel. And if you try any of the hair buns, let me know in the comment section down below as I'll be replying to all of your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on any of my videos. This is Cor signing off until next time.